Hi, I'm Rachel. I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. In this video, I'll show you how to paint this cute autumn themed squirrel painting. This is a shortened version of the video, but if you would like to watch the full-length tutorial in real time with step-by-step instructions, then you can join my Patreon, which is Rachel Froud Art, where you will get instant access to all of my full-length art tutorials. I love the colour palette in this painting. It's just getting into autumn now, so I wanted to create a painting inspired by the orange colour of the leaves. It also works really well with this little squirrel, giving the impression that he's rustling around in the woods. I didn't want to add too much detail into the background. I like to keep the backgrounds quite abstract, so I just used a large paintbrush and flicked it back and forth to give the impression of out of focus leaves. I painted the squirrel with a similar colour palette to the background, with lots of warm yellow and orange tones. However, I used much brighter versions of the colours and I also added much more contrast. This will help to prevent the squirrel from blending into the background. I also added shades of pink and purple paint, which helps to make the painting really bright and colourful, which, if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know is my go-to style. I had a lot of fun painting this colourful squirrel. I hope you enjoy watching the process and stick around to the end to see the finished piece.